Imagine a machine that doesn't just travel across the world, but conquers it. A vehicle so massive, so advanced, and so uncompromising that it redefines the very concept of off-grid living. Welcome to the dawn of the 10x10 revolution. For years, the expedition world has been dominated by 4x4s and the occasional 6x6. But as our thirst for adventure grows and our demand for luxury follows, the limits of engineering are being pushed further than ever before. We are no longer just looking at more wheels, we are witnessing a fundamental shift in how we survive and thrive in the most hostile environments on Earth. This is the future of 10x10 expedition trucks. The first thing you notice is the footprint: 5 axles, 10 massive tires. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about physics. In a world of shifting sands, deep mud, and Arctic ice, ground pressure is the enemy. By spreading weight across 10 points of contact, these next-generation 10x10s reduce ground pressure significantly, allowing them to move where others sink. It doesn't just drive over terrain, it floats across it. But the real magic happens under the chassis. We are moving away from the loud, vibrating diesel engines of the past. The future is silent power. Integrated hydrogen-electric drivetrains are becoming the new gold standard. Imagine crossing a pristine mountain range with zero emissions and near-silent movement. Each wheel is powered by its own independent electric motor, enabling torque vectoring that can pivot a massive machine with the precision of a rally car. No traditional lockers, no complex gearboxes, just pure digital control over every inch of movement. Now let's talk about the shell. The next generation of expedition cabins is no longer just fiberglass or aluminum. We're seeing aerospace-grade carbon Kevlar composites, materials designed for extreme durability. These shells are incredibly strong, capable of handling extreme temperature swings from the Sahara to the Siberian tundra without stress or deformation. And for the first time, self-healing nano-coatings are becoming reality. Scratches from desert brush or rocky terrain fade away under heat, keeping the vehicle looking showroom fresh no matter where it goes. Step inside, and the truck disappears. You're no longer in a camper, you're inside a high-tech sanctuary. The design philosophy has shifted from rugged utility to seamless luxury. Adaptive interiors are now redefining space itself. With the push of a button, living areas expand using silent hydraulic systems. Walls don't just slide out, they transform, creating extended lounges, private suites, or even elevated observation decks with panoramic views of the wilderness. The glass is no longer just glass. Smart glass technology allows windows to shift from crystal clear to full privacy tint in milliseconds. Transparent OLED displays overlay navigation data, weather systems, and even thermal imaging directly onto the windshield, giving the driver a true God mode awareness even in total darkness or heavy fog. Power is the lifeblood of off-grid survival, and the future is fully renewable. We are moving beyond traditional solar panels. Next-generation 10x10s use solar skin technology that covers the entire vehicle, capturing energy even from low-angle sunlight. Combined with solid-state batteries, lighter, safer, and far more efficient than lithium systems, these machines can operate for weeks in isolation without compromise. But perhaps the most revolutionary feature is intelligence. These trucks are becoming highly autonomous systems. Onboard AI constantly analyzes terrain using drone reconnaissance. A scout drone launches automatically, mapping the route ahead and feeding real-time data back to the suspension system. Before the wheels even touch the ground, the vehicle has already adjusted itself for maximum stability and comfort. This is more than just a machine for the ultra-wealthy. It's the ultimate expression of freedom, the ability to take your home, your family, and your security into the most remote corners of the planet without sacrificing comfort. The 10x10 Expedition truck is no longer a concept, it is the new apex predator of the off-road world. The horizon is calling, and, for the first time, there is nowhere you can't go. If you enjoyed this vision of the future, don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more insane automotive concepts, luxury expedition machines, and next-level builds.